guys, welcome to Kelly Grace TV. How you guys doing? Thank you for clicking one more time on my video, and for my new friends, warm welcome to you. Okay, thank you, and I wish you all happy and Merry Christmas to you all. Enjoy this season. Okay, today I am about to share with you how to make Macédoine, recette Macédoine. Okay, so here are the ingredients. We have sweet peas. The sweet peas, I have the one that are canned, so already cooked, as you can see in the bowl. I have a cucumber, green beans, garlic, onion. I have carrots. I'm gonna only use half of the carrots. I have 2 potatoes and 3 small egg. Okay, now I am about to start cutting all the veggies. You cut them in some little squares. That's how it is done for Macédoine. We call it also hors d'oeuvre. Yeah, hors d'oeuvre Macédoine. So here are how you can cut them. This is the only way. Yeah, this is the only way it is cut. All the veggies, that's the only way you can cut them for Macédoine. And so I will cut all the veggies, the potato, the carrots, the green beans, the onion. Yeah, and I will cook the egg. Okay, so I will just let you chill, relax, and watch the video till the end. Okay, if you are not subscribed yet, please don't leave without doing so. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, click on the bell to get your notification whenever I upload new videos, and please don't forget to like and share. Like and share on your platform, on your social media platform. That will help a long way. Thank you for doing so. Now, after finish cutting them all, I have my boil or water on stove, and I'm going to add the carrot first, because carrot is the hardest one. The carrot first, and after 2 minutes I will be adding the potato, and cover it up, let it boil roughly about 5 to 6 minutes. They will be done, and I will go ahead and check it up if they are done. Yeah, so they are done here. So now I will go ahead and strain them, drain the water out, and then put them in your bowl. I put the sweet peas first because it's already cooked, and then I added the cooked carrot and potato, and then to another bowl water I added my green beans, and check it if they are done. You drain them, also strain them also, and add it to the others, and you let it don't cover it up, don't you let it cool off. For some people, they add it to ice water or cold water to stop the cooking, but for me, I don't like doing so because here first I added my cucumber and onion. Okay, yeah, because I feel like I am taking all the nutrition out of the veggies, so I don't rinse them to stop the cooking. Eventually the cooking will stop when I let it on cold air. Okay, or you can put them in the fridge because they are served, Macédoine is served cold, so you can put them in the fridge while you are cutting the other ingredients. So here I added my onion, I blend it up and add it to it, cut my egg into some small pieces, added my salt, and now I am adding some mayonnaise. You need a lot of mayonnaise, I would say, for Macédoine. And then I will go ahead and mix it up. And now I'll chop some parsley on top of it, and I will go ahead and mix it one more time. And that will be all, beauties. That will be all. Thank you for today. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you. Thank you. I will see you guys next time in my next upload. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Be safe and enjoy the season. Bye.